Hi, it's Jenny. Welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to finally be able to share with you guys the wonderful news. H la Cosedora has a brand new limited edition bundle which will be available and launched this Wednesday, April 8th at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Because this is a limited edition bundle, I highly recommend that you set your alarm clock so that you're ready to make your purchase if you're interested in buying this cute bundle. She was kind enough to send me this sample so that I could share it with you guys ahead of time. And this is what the bundle includes. You get 2 stamping plates, a scraper card, a little bracelet, and a mini stamping plate. You'll be able to use my discount code JENNY10 to receive 10% off your order. Let's take a look at the 2 stamping plates. And here we have both acrylic plates. One has the blue backing and one has the pink backing, but they both have the cute little Make-A-Wish design. This little paper has instructions on how to care for your plate. The one with the blue backing is called Gypsy Spirit, and it has lots of gorgeous designs including feathers and lots of geometric patterns. The one with the pink backing is called Hidden Garden, and this one is full of gorgeous floral images, leaves, and beautiful little birds and butterflies. She even included little cactus designs, which is one of my favorites. One of the things that makes this bundle extra special is this cute little card that they included. This is a mini stamping plate and it is the cutest thing I've ever seen. They also included this cute string bracelet with a little silver feather charm. And a colorful scraper card which has her logo on it and says "Make a Wish." When you remove the card from the holder, it says, "Tie this bracelet around your wrist, close your eyes and make a wish. When the string starts to fray, you know your wish is on its way." I really love this sweet and simple detail that they added to the card, and I can't wait to put mine on and make a wish. I wanted to show you guys a comparison so that you guys get an idea of just how little this stamping plate is. Well, you can see it here next to my nail. It's really small, but look how cute it is. And I love that they did this one in purple. That's all I have for you guys today. I hope you guys are excited for this new limited edition bundle from H la Cosedora. And stay tuned because I'll be sharing lots of cute manicures using both of these plates and even this little mini stamping plate. Thank you once again for taking the time to watch my videos. I hope you really enjoy them, and if you have any questions or comments, please be sure to let me know. All the details about the launch of this bundle will be in the description box of this video. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye!